This Japanese bento meal only took me 30 minutes to make, and I got everything in one Japanese grocery store. First up is chicken karage, straight from frozen, air fry lang natin for 10 minutes. We also have some curry croquette, 90 pesos na yan for 3 pieces. Ito na yata yung most difficult out of everything that I'm making today. Instant miso soup, 15 pesos lang yan, lalagyan lang ng hot water. Let's assemble everything in my cute bento box. Lagyan lang natin ng furikake yung rice, and then we have our chicken karage. For the sauce, I just bought a bottled and ready-to-eat tonkatsu sauce. Technically, I'm not eating tonkatsu, pero masarap din naman siya with the chicken. For dessert, we're having some mochi ice cream. Siguro yung rice na yung pinakamatagal gawin dito. There you have it, a complete meal right out of a Japanese supermarket. This is the instant miso soup. Oh my gosh. It's so tasty. Curry croquette. This is a disaster. It's falling apart, actually. No, it's not pretty, pero ang sarap nung croquette na yun. This is the chicken karage straight from frozen. Hindi ko na siya finry, in-air fry ko na lang siya. Ang sarap! It's also nice and juicy. Tapos it's already tasty on its own, actually, kahit hindi i-dip. Tapos masarap yung batter niya. And most of all, sobrang dali niya, ilalagay mo lang sa air fryer. Air fry for 10 minutes. Meron ding melon soda sa grocery. Para siyang melona na soda form. And for dessert, I have some mochi ice cream. Overall, I think it was a successful trip to the grocery store. I think I had a good meal. It was such an efficient use of time. I spent less than 30 minutes preparing everything.